This is the Mandarin collar attachment with the shirt. So my procedure is I stitch it with my fingers first manually, because this cloth is very soft. You cannot make it perfectly when I'm sewing it. It's wrinkled and crooked sometimes. So if I did this, if I make the sewing, it is perfect and easy and fast. So first thing to do before I final to on sewing, I will show you first the procedure. So this one is the same as this one. I already stitched it with my finger. I mean, the half centimeter here, this one, and the half centimeter at the back is the same. I stitch it first with my fingers manually, but the feature of that is like this. Okay, so if I finish this video, I will stitch it again with my finger for final attachment on sewing, so it's easy and fast on sewing. So this one is just put inside this neckline. You just put it there. Just make sure this one is very near to the end of the Mandarin collar. Inserted. You see this? Inserted there. This one is direct, straight like that, right? I mean, this one Mandarin, you just put at it's just at the top, just the connection is like that, both sides up to the other side. Okay, see, sewing on the sewing machine is easy. If I make this assembling it first on my fingers is easy for me. So the measurement of my plackets is 3 centimeters. You can make it 2 inches, so that this one is very near, because this one, before I finalize as well the sewing on the sewing machine, this attachment is, I have to check first the plackets. There you go. Also at the back, I check it if they are the same height, like that. You see, they are the same height, right? If you stretch them the same height on this, you see inside, no hidden mistake. There you go. It should be the same height. Okay, so after this video, I will stitch it with my fingers again, and then I will open a video showing you the stitching on the sewing machine. Okay, I will show you like that. Okay.